This is the perfect short Kundalini Yoga set to start your day. Why is it so important to start your day grounded into yourself and into your power? Here's why. Every day, the world will drag you by the hand, yelling, "This is important, and this is important, and this is important. You need to worry about this, and also this." And each day, it is up to you to yank your hand back, put it on your heart, and say, "No, this is what's important." And that's what this set helps you to do right away in the morning, reminding you of what's really important. And good morning. Time to wake up, stretch it out a little bit. Bring your hands by your sides. Tilt your pelvis upwards so your lower back is pushing into the bed. Toes are pointed. Then lift your head up 6 inches, chin towards the collarbone, arms up 6 inches, palms facing thighs, heels up 6 inches. Begin breath of fire for 60 seconds. And continuing breath of fire, bring the knees in towards the chest, hug the arms around the shins, the knees, breath of fire, powerfully, 30 seconds. Inhaling deeply, suspending the breath. Exhale, relax it all down. Feel your energy. And then cat stretching to one side, lifting one knee about up to hip level and letting it fall over the other side of the body. Stretching out opposite arm, turning head in opposite direction, breathing into stretch. And cat stretching to the other side. Hugging those knees in again, giving that lower back a little love, rocking side to side, circling the knees, and then a little lymphatic massage, tapping opposite collarbones, and then tapping one armpit, a gentle but firm tap, and then the other armpit. And tapping the inside of one elbow. And tapping the inside of the other elbow. And then tapping along the belly, from diaphragm to belly. Tapping behind the knees. And then tapping the groin area. Moving that lymph fluid. stretching, arms up, stretching legs up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Give yourself a great shake, maybe another little hug, then rock backwards and forwards on the spine. And there you are. You're ready to go for the day. All right, get up out of bed and here we go.